Welcome to my all learners and all of the educated person and all of the viewers. Firstly, I am welcoming to all of my viewers. Today, I shall teach the English of class 7 and the topic is run, run, run. My dear learner, firstly, you will read the poem carefully and find out all of the difficult words, and you will know what is the meaning of the word, and carefully you teach the poem. So firstly, I shall read the poem. The poem is Run, Run, Run. First stanza of the poem is away from the city and into the sun, out of the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little bridge, run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away, away. In this poem, there are 4 stanzas, and the poet is Mary Dawn has described very well to all of the students of class 7, and the first stanza is about away from the city and into the sun. Away from the city, when we run away from the city, away from the city. We live in the city, and when we run, we will run out of our city and into the sun. When we run into the sun. When in the daytime, we run into the sun, out of the country, and we shall run out of the country. Run, run, run. Run in the raindrops. Run in the raindrops. The poet has said in this poem, we shall run in the raindrops. When the rain is raining, we run in this time, and we enjoy the raindrops and enjoy the rain, and we always enjoy the rain, run beneath the tree. And when we will run, we will run under the tree, under the trees, run little races. When we will run, we will think we have run in a races. We have run in a races with each little bridge. When the wind is blowing. In this time, we will run in the each little bridge, run down the hillside. Where we will run, we will run down the hillside, run up the lane, run up the lane. We always, sometimes we will run up the lane, run through the meadow. When we shall run in a field, run on the meadow, then run back again. And when our running is completed, we will run back again. Run and be merry. We shall always think, when we shall run, we feel in this time very happy, and we shall enjoy the run all through the day. We shall run all through the day. Run to the country. We shall run to our country. Away, away, away. And we always run to away, many, many far ago. So in this first stanza, এটি কবি চারিটি স্টাঞ্জা রে বর্ণনা করিଅଛନ୍ତି এবং এই বর্ণনা গুড়িক হেলা মু পিলে তুমକୁ টিকে ওড়িয়াରେ ଅନୁବାଦ କରି ଦେଉଛି. Away from the city, away from the city. The poet will say, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଠି କବି କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ଆମ ସହର ଠାରୁ ଦୂରକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା, and into the sun, ଯେଉଁ ସମୟରେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ଆମେ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟଙ୍କର କିରଣ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ବା ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା. out of the country, ଆମେ ଆମ ଦେଶ ଠାରୁ ବାହାରକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ବା ଆମ ଦେଶରୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ ଦେଶକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା. and run ଏବଂ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ଏବଂ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା. run in the raindrops, ଏବଂ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବର୍ଷା ହେଉଥିବ ସେଇ ବର୍ଷା ଛିଟା ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ବା ବର୍ଷାର ଜଳବିନ୍ଦୁ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା. run beneath the tree, ଆଉ କଣ କରିବା, ଆମେ ଗଛର ତଳେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ବା ଗଛ ତଳେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା. run little races, ଆଉ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ଯେପରି ଗୋଟିଏ ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତାରେ ଦୌଡ଼ାଯାଏ ସେହିପରି ଦୌଡ଼ିବା. ଏବଂ with each little breeze, ଏବଂ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ଆମର ପବନରେ ବହୁଥିବା ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ମୃଦୁ ପବନ ସହିତ ଆମେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା. run down the hillside, ଏବଂ ଆମେ କୋଉଠି ଦୌଡ଼ିବା, ପର୍ବତ ପାର୍ଶ୍ୱବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଅଞ୍ଚଳରେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା. run of the lane, ଗଳି ଉପରେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା, ଗଳି ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା. run through the meadow, ଏବଂ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ଆମେ ଘାସ ପଡ଼ିଆ ଉପରେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା. then run back again, ଏହିପରି ଭାବରେ ଆମେ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଫେରି ଆସିବା. run and be merry, ଏବଂ ଆମେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ଏବଂ ଖୁସି ହେବା. all through the day, ଆମେ କିଛି ସମୟ ଯଦି ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ଆମେ ଆମର ଦୈନନ୍ଦିନ ଜୀବନ ବା ବାକି ସମୟତିକ ଆମେ ଦୌଡ଼ିକି ଖୁସି ହେବା. run to the country, ଏବଂ ଆମ ଦେଶକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା. away, ଏହିପରି ଭାବରେ ଦୂରକୁ ଏବଂ ଦୂରକୁ. ଏଠାରେ କବି ମେରିଡଣ୍ଟ ସମସ୍ତ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆମେ କିପରି ଦୈନନ୍ଦିନ ଜୀବନରେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ଏବଂ केउ केउ जागा को दौड़िबा केउ जागा मध्य एठी अछि सहर ठारू बाहर को दौड़िबा सूर्य को किरण मध्य दौड़िबा सहर को दौड़िबा एवं वर्षा छिटा मध्य दौड़िबा गछ तले दौड़िबा पर्वत पार्श्वांचल दौड़िबा प्रत्येक मृदु पवन जेपरि आमे दौड़िबा समय हमको स्पर्श करिबो से दौड़िबा घास घास पड़िया उपर दौड़िबा आम देश को दौड़िबा दिन सारा दौड़िबा तो पिला माने एठी कवि कहि अछंती जे आमे जदि किछि समय दौड़िबा ताहले ए दौड़िबा द्वारा हमर निजर तो किछि उपकारिता हेबा सहित आम मन मध्य प्रफुल्लित हेबो आमे मध्य खुशी हेबा दौड़िकी तो पिला माने एही जो कवितार कवि होउछंती मेरिडन एवं एठी पिला माने ई कवितारे तमे किछि कष्ट शब्द पाइबो से कष्ट शब्द हेउछि आवे आवे कहले दूर को इनटू कहले भितरे आउट कहले बाहर को कंट्री कंट्री कहले देश रेनड्रॉप्स कहले वर्षा बिंदु बेनिथ कहले तळे रेसेस कहले दौड़ प्रतियोगिता ब्रिज कहले मृदु पवन हिल साइड पर्वतर पार्श्व लेन कहले गली मिटो कहले घास पड़िया मेरी कहले खुशी बा प्रफुल्लित है। In this poem, the poet suggested to all everybody should run in a day एवं समस्त पिला माने भल भाव टिके कविता टी पढ़िबो जदि किछि तुमर बुझिबारे असुविधा हैला ताहले मते कमेंट बॉक्स माध्यम रे तुमर कमेंट प्रदान करिवो एवं परिशेष रे मु समस्त भद्र व्यक्ति एवं मोर शिक्षक गुरुजी गुरुजन मान को अनुरोध करूछि सदा सर्वदा मते आपनकर आशीर्वाद सहित परामर्श देबे।